Lawyers, what is the easiest practice area for Facebook ads? This video contains usable tips and an invite to a free Facebook ad strategy mini course just for lawyers, and it won't stay free for long, so jump in. Hi, my name is Mary Cary, and I'm here again as your legal marketing specialist, helping law firms grow and streamline their practices since 2008. Is your practice area suited to get clients on Facebook? It's not just for personal injury lawyers. In last week's tip, I was talking about an oversaturated market and how using talking head videos as your approach ends up being expensive. I have studied many different forms of marketing, and I realize that you certainly cannot use the same approach for all practice areas. Here's what I mean. Your clients, depending on your practice area, are going to be in entirely different frames of mind because of what they need you for. So, why are some practice areas harder to market than others? For instance, if you are a personal injury lawyer and the insurance industry has gone out of their way to make your potential client think that the insurance company has them covered, or that the potential client should feel very guilty for even contacting a lawyer, then you, as the personal injury lawyer, have an uphill battle in marketing. Your potential client needs more educating. Whereas if you have a practice area where they're already aware that they need the help of a lawyer and it's really urgent, then meeting that potential client will be a lot easier on Facebook. It'll work faster. You won't have to create as much media. So what is the easiest practice area for Facebook ad success? Here's today's tips. Understand the mindset of your potential clients before you start. 2. Do not use TV tactics online. In other words, use well-formed educational concepts. Usually, only potential clients will watch the educational lawyer ad, and then you can retarget those who are interested using Facebook's great data. And 3, if you're using videos, make them long enough to really bestow valuable information to your potential clients. So what is the easiest practice area to get clients on Facebook? Drum roll, please. Practice areas where they know they need a lawyer and the matter is urgent. There are 3 ways to work with us. 1, we do all this for you if we don't already work with your competition. 2, online coaching for your specific project. Or 3, detailed online courses. And for a little while, I'm offering my Facebook Law Firm Practice Area Strategy Mini Course for free. Why? Because right now, Facebook is the least expensive, most successful, and exciting way to bring in a steady flow of new clients for lawyers. But getting results can be frustrating and difficult if you don't understand how to market your specific practice area. I've built thousands of successful campaigns with my team at GoMedia Marketing Productions, and I have surprising answers about what doesn't work. So find out today how to build your practice area game plan by going to marycaryu.com, where you'll find my online courses specifically for lawyers, and there you will see the strategy mini course. So jump in while it's still for free and download the videos. You have nothing to lose. I can't wait to see you in the next video.